This section is on independent events versus dependent events. For independent events, the outcome of one event has no effect on the probability of the other. So if A and B are independent events, we take the probability that A happens and multiply it by the probability that B happens. For dependent events, the outcome of one event has an effect on the probability of the other. So if A and B are dependent events, we take the probability that A happens and multiply it by the probability that B happens given that A has occurred. So it says a single die is rolled twice. Find the probability of rolling, and number 1 says a 5 the first time and a 1 the second time. Now for rolling a dice, the first roll has no effect on the second roll. So these are independent events. So a 5 the first time is 1 over 6, and a 1 the second time is 1 over 6. So if we multiply these, we get 1 over 36. Number 2 says a 2 the first time and a 4 the second time. So the probability of rolling a 2 is 1 over 6. And the probability of rolling a 4 is 1 over 6. And if we multiply these, we get 1 over 36.